Hey guys, this is Christian. I'm back. Christian's Crafty Adventures. I want to give you an update. I wanted to use this Pick Me Up collection by Paige Evans, and it has 36 beautiful sheets and gold foiled. I wanted to challenge myself on what kind of embellishments or how much embellishments can I do using just one 6x6 paper collection. So I wanted to give you an update on what I have so far, but this is the paper that's left from the 36. It's not a lot. But here's what I have so far. I'm gonna line it all up. I showed the cup embellishment in my Instagram feed, my stories. So here's what I have. All this plus this one on the side. Okay, so I'm just gonna give you a close-up. This one is just a tag. Sorry, it's not focusing. This is a simple tag, like a paper clip that you can use on your projects. You can insert it in your planner, just like that. Super cute. I love how it turned out. It's super easy to make that. And then this one is a coffee cup embellishment that you can put on anything. This one is a jar. Love the jars from Stampin' Up. This one is an open cup. Just flowers. This one I used a heart punch, and this fringed it a little bit. This one is another paper clip. So cute. Just imagine this is just one 6x6 paper sheet. You know, if you like it enough and it inspires you enough, this one is a double layer. Like the first part is vellum. So this is first part is vellum. I was thinking of putting foam dots in the back, and this is eventually what it's going to look like. I just need to put more gems. So this one is a vellum, this one is another layer, and this one is, so 3 layers. And it looks so pretty on a page. We got that. This is to be made for that as well. This one I put a flower in the center. And then this I just cut from the cards. This one is another paper clip. Need to put a sentiment on that. A butterfly, some more butterflies that I need to embellish. And then I made these cute flowers from a punch. So I just put it like this one came from Hobby Lobby, and I just used this one. Let me show you the puncher that I use. I think I got this from Hobby Lobby, and it comes in a pack of 2. So this one is what I use specifically, and this is the other part of the pack. So it's so easy to make embellishments with it. Here's another version of a paper clip. So I'm gonna probably do a giveaway on this one. I think this needs something else, or maybe not, I'm not sure. And then I made a tassel just using paper. I just got maybe 3x6 inch paper. And then I use my French scissors that I got from Hobby Lobby. And then just, I think it's cute if it goes in your planner or any kind of, you know, like a card. It's cute. I only made 2 because I was just experimenting. Here's the other one. This one had too long of a, yeah. And this one is just page flag. They can decorate like a gift bag, a card. Sorry about, it's not focusing. There. I was able to do a lot with this one sheet of 6x6. That's a cool challenge. Beautiful paper. It's just so inspiring. Beautiful, gorgeous paper. Pick Me Up by Paige Evans. I think it's a little bit older collection. It's not a current collection like her Horizon. But if you find a paper that inspires you, then yes, go for it. Why not, right? And this is a tiny little topper. So I'm into the coffee cup kick I think it works with everything, and I love coffee. This is like a cup with no lid. Maybe I need to get a lid for that before I give it away, right? Here's another one. I think it's so cute. On top of like a gift bag. Coffee cups. I think this needs to be here. And then that would be perfect. Because it needs something. Sorry about my cold. I have bad allergies. Oh my god, isn't this so cute? It's so simple. Right there. Another one. So cute. Here's a very simple one. Just a coffee cup with a flower in the middle. Let me show you the punch that I use for that one. This one is an older punch. I think I've had this for right there. Won't even close anymore. And this is the older version of the EK Success, the black one. The newer version that's lighter. Yeah. So that was an old version. This is so cute, like a mason jar. I'm gonna do a series with the mason jars. Absolutely adorable. Right there, so cute. Yay. So much fun with you. Simple, and yet I think beautiful. We're almost done. Another paper clip. I think it's super cute. I want to package this so nicely. So simple. A butterfly. I tried stitching it. I'm not good at stitching. Look. I need to practice. We're almost done. What a great time. So pretty. Right there. This is one of my favorites. Life is always better together. I love this paper collection. I hope and pray I could find it on Tuesday morning, like a bigger one, because that would be amazing. I can make traveler's notebooks, mini albums, project life cards, anything actually. Oh, this is a cute one. Simple, super uber simple, right? I made these. I found these at Joann's on clearance in their Easter aisle, so I just made a. I think it's gonna be cute. You know? Almost done, guys. Bear with me. This is watermelon cup. That was so cool. That's what it says. Cute. Nice, super nice, vibrant colors. Maybe putting a lid is better. And then these tiny little. I thought it was so cute. You can attach it somewhere like that. It's cute. I made 3 of that. Let me attach it on paper. Are they cute? I hope you like it. I hope this inspires you to use your stash. Again, this is the Pick Me Up collection, a 6x6 paper pad from Paige Evans. Absolutely gorgeous. And I have some of these left maybe for packaging. But I hope you had a wonderful time. Please like, subscribe, comment, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!